Hey y'all, and welcome to another quick tutorial. I'm going to be showing y'all how to get into tortoise pose. Now, it's different ways that people may show you how to get into tortoise pose, but I'm simply just going to show you what way works best for me. So first, I'm going to start off sitting down with my legs open about a little bit over shoulder width apart. So then I'm going to bring my knees up, and each arm is going to be right underneath my leg. So each arm is going to go underneath my leg right below the knee, and then I'm slowly going to come down with some control. Make sure it's controlled. You definitely don't want to rush down into this. And key thing about going into tortoise pose is warming up, and that's for any asana that you do. You always want to make sure that you're warming up. So I did some warm-ups such as lunges, butterfly pose, just to give a couple of examples. And also, if your head can't touch the ground, that's completely okay. Try to use maybe a pillow or a yoga block if that helps. So hopefully this was helpful, and I will see y'all again with another breakdown tutorial. Mwah.